the chicken tenders, the 3-piece. I don't know what that says. The 3-piece and the Baconator fries and a Coca-Cola. Here is Mummy's card. Can somebody text me, please? Because I feel very lonely.
You need to, like, become a strong, independent woman.
I feel so lonely. Any of my friends,
You need to stop talking with that voice. It's so annoying.
I can't. So, to anyone. Oh no. Oh no.
I did tell you to stop talking.
To anyone who has my number, text me because I'm sick.
You just need to cough. Stop faking it.
By the way, Paige is actually nice to me, usually, but she doesn't like this voice. So, let's stop now.
Well, you made me out to look really horrible. And I'm not. I do care.